Welcome guys. In this video we are going to look at question 5 from mathematics paper 2 for the 2024 for GCE. So we can see we have question 5a where we are told to evaluate. So we have the integral sign from -1 to 2, 6 times x raised to the power 5 minus x raised to the power 4 plus 3 times x raised to the power 2 minus 1 dx. We need to first integrate. So how do you integrate? So it's the opposite of differential. Differential deals with the subtraction of a 1 from the power, but this one has to do with the addition, so it's like the reverse. So we have 6 times x raised to the power 5, then we add a 1 plus 1 over the same results. Here we have x raised to the power 4, we add a 1 over the same. Here we have 3x raised to the power 2 plus a 1 over 2 plus a 1. Then for a constant number like 1, we multiply by x. This gives us x. Then evaluating from -1 to 2. We can now simplify. The first one will give us 6 over 5 plus 1 is 6 times x raised to the power 6 minus x raised to the power 5 over 5 plus 3x raised to the power 3 over 3 minus x, evaluating from -1 to 2. We can now cancel. We can cancel the 6 here, even the 3 here. We have x raised to the power 6 minus x raised to the power 5 over 5 plus x raised to the power 3 minus x, evaluating from -1 to 2. Then I'm going to write these into 2 pairs. So the first one, we will have the upper limit, x raised to the power 6 minus x raised to the power 5 over 5 plus x raised to the power 3 minus x. So this will be evaluated with the upper limit 2 minus, write the same, x raised to the power 6 minus x raised to the power 5 over 5 plus x raised to the power 3 minus x. This will be evaluated with -1. So I'm going to proceed from here. So what do you do now? The first bracket where there is x, we are going to substitute with a 2. So this will be 2 raised to the power 6 minus 2 over 5. So this 2 is raised to the power 5. Then plus 2 raised to the power 3 minus 2. Then this one will have -1 raised to the power 6 minus -1 raised to the power 5 over 5 plus -1 raised to the power 3 minus 1. 2 raised to the power 6 is 64 minus 2 raised to the power 5 is 32. 32 divided by 5 will give us 6.4 plus 2 raised to the power 3 is 8 minus 2 minus. Then whenever you have a number raised to an even number, if the power is an even number like 2, 4, 6, 8, the sign will change from a negative to a positive in case you are given a negative. So -1 raised to the power 6 will be +1. Then since this negative 1 is raised to the power an odd number, this negative will not change, but this negative times this negative gives us a plus. Then 1 divided by 5 will give us 0.2. Then negative times negative, so say plus 1. So we are going to say 64 minus 6.4 plus 8 minus 2. So I'm getting 63.6. Then the other one is 1 plus 0.2 plus a 1. Okay, I'm sure I've forgotten one number plus a 1. Then minus a 1. So I'm getting 1.2. 63.6 minus 1.2. So 63.6 minus 1.2 is giving me 62.4 as our final answer. As you can see, the question is simple, even if it might be seem long, it's simple. The steps are so simple. Right, so we move on to question B. So question B, the flowchart below shows the steps that are carried out in calculating and displaying the area of a sector given its radius r and angle of the sector theta. So the question is, write a pseudocode corresponding to the flowchart program above. So it's very simple. You start with the word start. So you write start. So we are changing a flowchart into a pseudocode. Then here we have enter R. So say enter R, comma theta. Now what happens if you are given a question like this one is R less than 0. So when writing a pseudocode, is changes to if R less than 0, the yes changes to then. So you say then, what is coming after yes? It's this display. So then you say print. We'll use the word they have used, so print error R is not valid. Then we need to look at no. So how do you change no? No changes to else. So we say else. What comes after else? We have area theta over 360 times pi times r squared. Then here we are going to say, after this is done, when going to this party, you have to say and if print area, then what do? Stop. So it's all about knowing the interpretation. So the best way to understand this question is you need to go through different questions, then you'll be able to get the pattern. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.